Last week, the most popular question I have received from my clients is, what should they do to keep their hair extension soft in easy way? That's why today I come back with the topic, how to keep hair extension soft. Let's discover it. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, Sales Manager of K Hair Factory. Maintaining silky hair extension is not that difficult. Your hair extension will remain soft over time if you just follow the advice below. Using organic products to maintain silky hair extensions. It's simple to locate natural hair care products. These hair care products have the benefits of being simple to find. There are several items with 100% natural extracts on the market, including coconut oil, grapefruit oil. Your hair will become softer and smoother as a result, because a lot of nutrients are included in this organic essential oil. Typically, coconut oil is extracted and put into a spray bottle. Coconut oil gives your hair extension a boost of nutrients that assist make hair lustrous and silky in addition to softening hair. Spray coconut oil evenly throughout your hair while keeping it around 10 centimeters away from your hair. The oil should be carefully massaged into the hair. Hair conditioner's main result is to make your hair lustrous and silky, so apply conditioner frequently if you want to maintain your hair extension smooth. Each time you should wash your hair extensions, use a conditioner. We should often use conditioner for hair extension 2 to 3 times each week. For your hair, avoid using too much conditioner. That would result in waste and duplications. Just a tiny bit will do to allow the conditioner to work its magic on your hair extensions. Gently compress the hair extension to remove any remaining water after washing your hair. Take the right quantities of conditioner and distribute it evenly throughout the hair extensioner, roots, and the head. The surplus shampoo will be absorbed by the conditioner if you massage gently for an addition of 4 to 5 minutes. After that, gently run water over the hair extension to rise in it. Choosing a shampoo with a lot of nutrients can also help you spend less time maintaining your hair and keep it softer. You won't need to spend more money on moisturizing hair oil, even if shampoos for hair extension with a lot of nutrients will cost a little bit more than conventional shampoo. When using this shampoo, you should also wash your hair in the following order. Comb it before shampooing, wet it, apply the oil, rub it gently in, rinse it out, and then dry it. Rich oils, on the other hand, offer the benefit of not requiring you to add more moisture to your extensions. And that is all you need to know about how to soften your hair extensions. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.